ओके, यहाँ पे मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि इस तरीके से हम अपने इंडेक्सिंग कर सकते हैं, राइट। एंड नेक्स्ट वी है maybe sometime, right, maybe sometime I'm creating one series. Just I'm creating one series. I'm creating like 10, 20, I'm creating some series. Okay. And I do F5, output will be there 10, 20, 40. And I have some data actually. Data like I have data of temperature, right? So I'm writing temperature in 25, 30, 22, 18, 19 and 33, like this. 3 और 3, 6. मुझे पूरे वीक का टेम्परेचर का डेटा मुझे रखना है, बट I have 40 here, right? But actually, if I'm talking about this one, right? I have a dictionary like actually. I have a dictionary. मेरे पास यहाँ पर temperature है, and I have a temperature for Monday, colon. I have temperature for Tuesday, colon. Okay, I have temperature for Wednesday. I have temperature for Thursday. I have temperature for Friday, and I have temperature for Saturday. Okay, like this. I have temperature. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, and Sunday also. Okay. So one thing is there. Okay, Sunday. Saturday and Sunday. तो मैंने यहाँ पे कर दिया 60. And I want to print this. No problem. Data will be printed. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now, due to some reason, any reason, we don't have the temperature of Friday. Right now, we don't have temperature of Friday. Okay. In that situation, if I write 0, then what happens? If someone is seeing this data, then the Friday temperature is 0. Is it right? No. Is it not? 0 का मतलब a very strong cold is there, right? But sometimes there is a requirement of none. N-A-N. That means not a number. Okay? Not a number. In that situation, if I required, because on Friday I don't know what is the temperature, I forget to record or something else, some reason is there. In that situation, if I want to write here none मतलब not a number, मतलब ठीक है, not a number. Sometime my requirement. Okay, if the temperature is missing, so I don't want to write 0. I don't want to write any minus value and plus value. Okay, in that case I can write NaN. Not a number, but this NaN belong to numpy library. So I need to numpy and np, and I can call np.net. Okay, and happily possible we can show our data like this. Okay, so F मतलब not a number. We missed that data or anything else like this we have. So we can add a NaN value, means or that value, that not a number. NaN stands for not a number, and this NaN belongs to numpy library. So I need to import numpy library and np.nan. Like this we can insert some number. Means if we have nothing to input and but I have to be right in the sequence, मुझे उसको sequence में जैसे Monday Tuesday बनाए, I cannot skip Friday. I need to write Friday, but the none value means we forget to fill or some other reason I have not write any temperature here. Is it clear? Okay. So next we have we already learned about the way to specifying the data, and way to specifying the indexing in it, right? We have already defined. And one thing we have, let's suppose I have two arguments. One argument is array. I am assigning some data like 31, 28, 30, 30, like this. Array. And I have month MON, and I'm assigning one more Jan and Feb, like this. Feb, and we have Feb के बाद March के बाद April. And if I am assigning here, like we are writing here data, the first argument is data equal to, I am writing ARR, okay, comma, index equal to, I am writing MON. Possible, no problem at all. Okay. The data will be generated here. Length is index and 4 implies. Okay, so April के बाद मैंने यहाँ पे 5 ले लिए. It must be same, right? ठीक है, data is there. Okay. Now one thing is here. Is it also possible? I can skip this word data. No problem. This is perfectly okay. Same. Is it also possible? Okay, you can see different way I am showing you. Just wait. This is one way. This is one way. This is another way. I can skip the keyword data. I can skip. No problem at all. And this is working happily. No problem. Happily working. No problem. Okay? Both are so. And the next movement, is it possible? Can I do like index first, okay, and data is second. Is it possible or not? I'm providing index first and data is second. It is possible or not? Yes. Is it possible or not? Happily possible, because series is a function and Python support keyword argument. Python support keyword argument. Here I'm passing the keyword data. Here I'm passing the keyword index. So the sequence of this argument can be changed, no problem at all, right? So here you can see the all data happily passed. Okay, this is the old one. Old one is what? If we are passing the keyword argument, then the sequence of argument can be changed. Otherwise not changed. Okay. If you are passing first is data, second is the index. First you are passing the both argument, and here I'm changing the place of argument. Reason behind, because we have both keyword argument, so we can interchange the locations. Okay, happily possible at all. Next we have, in the index, in the index we can use loop. Is it also possible? Let me show you just. Is it also possible we can we can use loop for defining index sequence. ओके, तो इंडेक्स सीक्वेंस डिफाइन करने के लिए हम लूप का यूज कर सकते हैं. कैसे? आई हैव pd डॉट सीरीज और here I'm providing a range and I'm providing here 5, and apart from this 5, so it will be start from 0. I'm taking 4 0 1 2 3. ठीक है, and here I'm passing at place of index equal to here passing passing for I in A B C D, for I in A B C D and I. ठीक है, तो इंडेक्स को वैल्यू क्या असाइन होगी? I. किसमें? फॉर I in A B C, यानी कि इस सीरीज में I एक इंडेक्स देता रहे, यानी कि 0 के लिए मिलेगी A इंडेक्स, 1 के लिए मिलेगी B इंडेक्स, 2 के लिए मिलेगी C index, like this we can put it. Okay, we can put it. And we do some meaningful, like I'm passing 10, 16. ठीक है, you remember A B C D E F. In hexadecimal form we have a constant value for 10 के लिए A, 11 के लिए B, 12 के लिए C, like this. Okay, let me show you. ठीक है, okay, let me show you with its separate output. So here, I forget to print. So I'm combined all the things, okay, with one. Okay, so at place of 10 we got A, 11 के लिए B, 12 के लिए C, 13 के लिए D, 14 के लिए E and 15 के लिए F, B point. Okay, so this is the way we can defining a index with for. Okay, index with for loop. Now I have one more example I can do. Okay, here I am creating some section. Okay. Section A, section B, I'm creating C, and what about these sections? These are the 11th class section, and we say collection. ठीक है, for the farewell party there is a collection. So section A collect 10,000, section B collect 20,000, section C collect 30,000, and section D collect 5,000. This is the collection for farewell party. Section A ने 10,000, section B ने 20, 30 and 5,000. If I pass like we can provide one thing, series series, and then I'm passing here section comma and collection comma section, and I'm providing index equal to SEC section. And finally I'm calling pd.series and assigning to S, and I can print this here. Okay. And I'm printing. You can see the output. Okay. One thing is here, we can use any mathematical function, or should I say expression, to create data. ठीक है, जो हम array हम बना रहे हैं सीरीज के थ्रू, तो वहां पर हम कोई मैथमेटिकल फंक्शन भी यूज कर सकते हैं, पॉसिबल है ऐसा, राइट। एंड करेंगे कैसे, ये वाली बात समझना। तो आई एम यूजिंग हेयर using here one some mathematical function I am using here. Using mathematical and expression function slash expression expressions to create so here I'm taking one a we discuss range and so on. I'm using here PD and here I'm writing I'm writing 10 into 2. At place of index I'm writing range. Here I am passing 5. So the output will be 0 to 5. You know, every place the output will be 10 into 20, 10 into 2, 10 into 2, 10 into 2. Okay. So just like a scalar values, but we can do some different things. Like I need to import numpy. Just wait. I'm importing numpy. I'm using arrange and passing here 1, 5. I'm passing here 3, and I am calling as np.array assigning to ARR. Here I'm passing ARR into ARR into and every place of index I am passing here ARR. Okay, the value of ARR is first let me show you the value of ARR is, let me comment it. I'm first showing you what is the value of ARR, so don't be confused. I run this. So value of A is not defined, sorry, ARR is there, and run this, and value 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know, if I activated this, ARR यानी कि फर्स्ट टाइम पे एरे की वैल्यू 3 into 2, सेकेंड टाइम पे द वैल्यू विल बी 4 into 2, थर्ड टाइम पे 5, 6, 7, 8 तक जाएगी 3 to 8. Okay, so sorry, I forget to print this, and I am not printing this here. But the main thing is at place of data, simple data, I am providing some operation. So the square of 3 is 6, 4, 8, and so on. If I'm creating the cube of every element, so I can do like this, cube of every one, you know, 3 ka cube 27, 4 ka 64, 5 25, like this I can say. So I can provide any, you know, this operator is the exponent operator. We can create the exponent form, exponent value, so ARR, double square, and exponent, and 3. So we can create any mathematical or expression at place of data as well. Okay. And one thing is here, very important point, you know, you can see every index if I'm not providing index here, index will be taken automatically, and every index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is no repetition. Agree na? There is no repetition. But if we assign index, okay, and I'm taking 3, 2, 5, so 3, 4, 3 and 4. If we and I'm taking 6, so it will 3, 4, 5, 3 tak jayega. Okay, let me show you 0, 1, 2 and 3, right? 0, 1, 2 and 0, 1, 2. Okay, total value 3. In that case, all values are unique, right? If I assign indexing by myself, okay, so I'm assigning possible is what? I'm assigning some A, comma B, comma like this. Okay, 3 values and 3 index. Yes. So, is it possible? Duplicating of indexing is possible if you manually assign the index. Okay, this is possible with character. If suppose I am assigning like assigning 100, 200 and 200. Okay, let me check is it possible or not. Definitely possible. So if we assigning the indexing by ourselves, okay na? So the duplicacy is possible with the index, no problem at all. Okay, so this is all about today.